Welcome to my February vlog. I put together this little compilation of things that I've filmed throughout the month. I found that when vlogging, you kind of need to preface what you're doing and explain what's going on, or you'll have just a bunch of little bits and pieces that don't really make sense together, which is why I'm filming this video. It is a nice little collection of what's been going on with me this month. I want to try to make one every month, so I hope you enjoy. Went to a concert with a friend that was in town and some coworkers, wearing a silk Mandarin jacket, originally from Chico's, that I bought secondhand, a velvet crop top from Abercrombie & Fitch, and a high-waisted maxi skirt from Max Studio, both pieces bought from Marshalls or TJ Maxx back when I was in college. So today is Saturday. I was gonna say Sunday. Almost cheated myself out of another day of the weekend. It is a snow day. It snowed a bunch, and I had planned to do a bunch of things around my apartment, so I'm not gonna necessarily like go out and play in it, but it is really nice. I've got the windows wide open, and to just kind of enjoy watching the snow falling down. I also really need to finish my assignment for my visual design class. I'm currently taking a visual design class through General Assembly, and what that takes you through is the theory of design, and we're learning about typography as well, and the final project is to create a landing page for a website. So I'm really enjoying the class. I'm really loving thinking in that way all the time and being forced to really learn how to use the tools that I want to learn and use, but it kind of takes out all of my creative energy, so I'm not like creating stuff as much outside of the class, but I think it's worth it for these like 3 months that I'm in it. So I will be working on showing motion through different screens, so if you click on this it takes you to this, and then what is the final outcome of that, and so showing kind of the step-by-step order. And then going to see Shen Yun tonight. It is Chinese dancing and acrobatics, should be really fun and cool, and just a nice night at the theater. And the reason that I really need to finish my homework now is because tomorrow is one of my very best friends' birthday celebrations. We're having like a big brunch with all of our friends. However, when you start the day with brunch, generally means you don't get anything done for the rest of the day, so I'm planning on that and really just needing to crack down today and be very good and finish everything in like a matter of 4 hours, so that's what I'm doing. So I've made this little guy. I originally made it for my friend's birthday that is tomorrow, but I don't know if I feel like it's finished or if it's like enough. I've been wanting to do a series with these little guys. They're called Viscachas, and they're my favorite to draw. And I'm wondering if just like doing little pictures of them and mounting them on wood will just like motivate me to actually do this grand series that I've had in my head for a while. Let's see if it focuses. There we go. That's that little guy.